Welcome to our tutorial on Copilot for DevOps Plus. In this video, we'll be focusing on the Convert to User Story functionality within Copilot. So with a Convert to User Story, you can provide a work item as an input and have that converted into user story format. For the work item, you can pick the fields that you'd like to input. So from the drop-down list, you'll have your title and all of your rich text fields. Whether you have standard or custom rich text fields, both will be available as input options. And once you've selected the fields, you can click on Generate. This will convert the contents of what you have in that input work item into user story format. Here, you can see the description as well as the corresponding acceptance criteria of this user story. You're able to copy the results. If you'd like to share it elsewhere, you can actually publish these results into a work item. You can select the work item type that you'd like to build as well as the field in which you'd like to publish the results into. You can also publish the results back into the same work item by clicking on Add to Field and then picking the field that you'd like to publish the results into. If you're working with Copilot Plus, you also have access to the Custom Instructions panel, which allows you to pick your AI model, whether GPT 3.5 or GPT-4. The latter will provide better results, but also consume more tokens. You can choose to have your results be more creative or more precise. Choose the length of your results as well as the language in which they are outputted in at the very bottom. You can also ensure you get exactly what you're looking for by providing your own custom instructions to Copilot as part of your prompt. So this concludes the tutorial for the Convert to User Story functionality. Be sure to check out all of our other videos on Copilot for DevOps Plus on our main website.